Welcome for watching this video of how to publish video on YouTube. You may need to publish the video on YouTube if you may want to show your video. Publishing video is the next step once the video is uploaded on YouTube if you would like to show your video on it. But how to publish video on YouTube? If you have not published video on YouTube before, you may not know how the video can be published on YouTube. Step-by-step procedures will be discussed in this video, and it is hoped that it can be helpful for the understanding of publishing video on YouTube. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. There are 4 steps for the publishing of video on YouTube, namely details, video elements, checks, and visibility. The first step for the upload of video on YouTube is the input of details of video on YouTube. It is needed to input the title of the video whose length is smaller than or equal to 100 characters. The description of the video is then input to the description box of the details screen. The next important section for publishing video is the thumbnail. You can use the custom thumbnail if verification has been made for your account. Otherwise, you can choose one of the 3 thumbnails proposed by YouTube. The next section is the playlists, and you can add your video to the playlists. Another important section for the details screen is this video made for kids? You can specify whether it is or it is not made for kids. More details can be shown if the show more wording is clicked. After clicking the show more, you can specify whether the automatic chapters is allowed or not for the video. It means that sections are defined automatically for the video so that the viewer can watch part of the video more easily. The next section is the tags. Tags are the keywords for describing your video, and it can help the SEO understand more about your video. You can input the keywords separated by comma here. But kindly note that excessive tags should not be used, as advised by YouTube. The next section is the language and captions certification, and you can specify the language of video here. The recording date and location section is followed after the language and captions certification section. You can input the recording date and location in this section. The next section is the license section. You can specify the license types of either standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attribution. The next section is the shorts sampling, and you can specify whether the sampling of this video is allowed or not. The category section is then followed after the shorts sampling section. You can assign your video to a certain category such as film and animation, music, etc. The next section is the comments and ratings section. You can specify the comment visibility, the sorting method, and whether the number of viewers like this video is shown or not in the video. The second steps for the publishing of video on YouTube is the video elements. There are 3 elements in this step, and they are adding of subtitles, an end screen, and cards. For the adding of an end screen, you can refer to the video, namely how to create YouTube end screen, new upload, in this channel. You can click the card on the top right hand corner of this screen currently to refer that video. For the adding of cards, you can refer to the video, namely how to create YouTube cards, new upload. In this channel, you can click the card on the top right hand corner of this screen, currently to refer that video. This step is done by YouTube for checking of any issues in the video that may affect the visibility of it. This is the last step to publish the video on YouTube. The first part is the save or publish of video, which is needed to define the video is private, unlisted, or public. Unlisted video means that the video can be watched through the video link. The second part is the schedule. You can also schedule a date for the publishing of the video to public. Finally, you can click the save button to publish the video on YouTube. Excellent. This video may be helpful in publishing video to YouTube after the video file is uploaded on YouTube. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to publish video on YouTube in this channel. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video from this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Hope that you can find this video helpful.